Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Mediavine for display ads and RPM growth, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Mediavine dashboard. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located on the left sidebar. Under the Settings drop-down, select General. Here, you will find options related to your site's configuration. Scroll down to locate the Ad Settings section. In this section, ensure that the box for display ads is checked. Next, review the Earnings section. Ensure your ad units are set to maximize revenue potential. Now, go to the Ad Placement tab to customize where ads will appear on your site. Choose the preferred ad placements that align with your site's design. Once you have selected your placements, click Save Settings. Next, it's time to set up your RPM or revenue per mil. Navigate to the Analytics tab on the left sidebar. In Analytics, review your current RPM data. Take note of which pages generate the highest revenue. Focus on optimizing those specific pages to increase RPM growth. Consider adjusting your content strategy based on this data. Now, implement A/B testing for different ad placements. Monitor the performance of these placements over time. Return to the Analytics tab to track changes in RPM. Keep a record of any adjustments made to placements. Lastly, continue to engage with your audience to maintain site traffic. Regularly update your ad settings based on performance analytics. Make sure to revisit this process periodically for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.